Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix mdisk.me not working. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your mdisk.me website is not working, then I will show you how to open this website. First of all, you need to open the Play Store. You need to download the application Cloud Storage Space. You can see here Terabox Cloud Storage Space. Just tap on the install. Tap to open. Just allow this app. Tap on agree. After that, then go back. Then tap on this search button in the Play Store. Then type here mdisk.me. mdisk space me. You can see here mdisk helper app for TG admins. Just tap on this. Just tap on the install. Tap on open. Guys, you need to create an account from here. Just you need to sign up. After sign up, you need to log in in this application. After logging in this application, you need to just paste that link which your link is not working. After pasting the link, you can access your mdisk website. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix mdisk.me not working. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.